project for this month is a book snowman. It uses the same type of cutting that we did with the book pumpkin from earlier. As you can see, there are a couple of different styles that you can create. For this project, you'll need a book or two, ribbon if you want to dress it up, scissors, a pencil, and your glue and glue gun. So to start this project, I drew a snowman on a blank piece of paper so I could see what kind of dimensions I needed to work with. Then I folded him in half where I thought he would look good and used him as my template. This guy has a hat cut into his snowman frame, but you can do one without the hat or make one out of construction paper later. So I started by lining this up and tracing him on there. And because this one has more bumps than just the regular book pumpkin, I went ahead and did this on both sides. Then we can start cutting. You'll still just need to cut a little bit at a time, but it actually went a lot faster than I thought it would. Make sure we get those details in there. And as always, be careful when you're using scissors. Then you'll just keep going through the book, alternating sides so that your snowman will match up. So you'll just keep going until your snowman is completely cut out. I did find with this project it looked a lot better and more full if you used two books that are about equal size, at least in height, if not width. And when you're completely cut out, you can still find your edges and trim up a little bit as needed to make sure that they both matched in the middle. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to take our glue gun, completely cover one side. There we go. Completely cover one end. And match it to your second part. And then you'll completely cover the top. Carefully bring him around to match the other side. And then you can stand him up and fluff him out. If you wanted to add a cute Christmas ribbon to make it look like he was wearing a scarf. There we have our book page snowman.